Hello everyone. Do you want to highlight a full row with a certain volume? Okay, let me show you in this video. Here's the scenarios. I have some product like this. So if the stock right here say no, if no stock, I highlight in the yellow one, automatically the full one, and the price greater or equal to 500, I highlight green one. For example, here, just 500, something like this, it go to that one automatically. Okay, let me clean all this up first. Okay, first of all, just select all your data, and then we go to home, conditional format, new rule. Okay, new rule, and then drag, move to use formula. Okay, use formula right here. Okay, so my cell start with 3, row number 3. So my volume in stock right here. We talk about no stock first. Start with F. So we just type equal $F3. We start with F3 equal. Our volume is just no. So it no. Okay. So no is not case sensitive. You can type capital or whatever. Just exact volume. And then choose format, fill, and then fill with the yellow one. Okay. And okay. Boom, you got it right. For example, here no stock. Okay. Even I type no with capital, it still works. Okay. Something like this. Okay, what about the price right here? So it's the same, just select all this home, conditional format, and new rule, choose formula. So it's the same, but here we use E3. The volume start with E3. So just type the E3, start with 3 equal, okay, greater than or equal 500. Okay, and choose color format. Green one. Okay, boom, you got it. For example, this one is 600. Okay, what if it's 600 and no? What happened? It's still this one. Okay, the last one that we do. Okay, it take. But if apply to rule, okay, we talk later in this video. See you next time.